Okay. Can we look around? Can you see something in front of you? Can you tell me what is it? What else from this side? What can you see? A bee. Very good. What about you, Sin? Ladybug. Ladybug. Very good. So now, because we are talking about, what are we learning for this week? Insect. Are you doing the same in the class? Okay. Are you excited to get to know our insects here? Can you give me 2 thumbs up for that? Okay, very good. So you say? Insect. We are insects.
I'm a ladybug. I'm a ladybug. I'm a bee.
Are you correct? You see all the insects here? Okay, everybody, what is this? Very good. How about this one? How about this one? How about this one? What's the color of the butterfly? How about this one? Okay, can we give ourselves a hand? Can we say, I am very good? Okay, thank you so much. Are you excited to dance now?